Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So my daughter, for Father's Day, went on eBay and bought me a box of tools. It was really kind of fun going through them because, she didn't know what she bought. She said it was just a bunch of tools. So we looked through those, and there was a few interesting things in there. One of which was this little screwdriver. There's something about the weight. I just like how it feels. So it's not in really bad shape, except the head needs to be fixed, and I'd like to clean it up. And if I could add a tiny bit of weight to this handle, that would be great too. I may or may not do that. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, let's make a video out of it. Come on. Okay, well, that's it. This was kind of fun, actually. About as I got into it, I started thinking, what a waste of time. This is just a cheap little screwdriver, a little flathead. How many cheap little flathead screwdrivers do I have? Way too many. But then I thought, this is an opportunity for me to go ahead and try to add weight to the handle. Now, I don't know that I actually did. When I was a kid, my dad got me a chess set, and it was these cheap oh God, those what are those, cicadas? I don't know. Anyhow, when I was a kid, my dad got me one of those sets of chessmen that are like cheap plastic, and we filled them with BBs, and we put epoxy or something down in there and put little felt on the bottom, and that worked out really great. So I thought, hey, I'll try that with this, and it might have changed the weight a tiny bit, but not really much. But it's done. Looks good, and it was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. See you next time.